how to disable fast startup on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is open up your legacy control panel. So we're going to press Windows key and R, and then we're just going to type in control. Once type in control, go ahead and press OK. It's then going to look like this. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is change your view by drop-down filter in the top right to large icons like so. And then what we want to do is go ahead and find power options. So we're just going to go through all of these and find it. And as you can see, it's right here with this little icon right there. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're in power options, it's then going to look like this. Now look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click the text link which says choose what the power button does or do. And now it's going to look like this. Now you're going to notice the shutdown checkboxes at the absolute bottom of the page are completely grayed out. And to unlock them, look near the top of the interface and click the blue shield icon link where it says change settings that are currently unavailable, like so. Now what we want to go ahead and do is look at the bottom shutdown settings section gridlock and uncheck the box next to turn on fast startup if you see that.